Hey, what's up you guys? This is Bart from TST Industries. Thank you for joining me in this coming soon product video. I have a beautiful 2021 Yamaha MT-09 over here. I really love what Yamaha has done with this bike, but once again, they put a giant shovel on the back here, and I know all you guys want to take that off and replace it with something sleek, sexy, and looking like this, hopefully. Here at TST Industries, we provide some top-notch components for these bikes, sport bikes, supermotos, mini bikes, and several other types of machines. And we want to approach the new MT-09 with the same amount of emphasis as we do with some of the other bikes that we provide parts for. And here you see some prototype components that we've already rolled out with here. We are currently in production. We are bringing you this coming soon video, hoping that this will catch your eye and you will come to tstindustries.com, read about these products a little bit more, check out all the pictures that we have to offer, see all the other components that go with these products, and perhaps sign up for a notification to let you know when these things are in stock and ready to go. Now, it is early October. We are hoping to launch this in November. We will see if we can make that happen. Hopefully we can. I think we are on track. So if you guys can be patient with us, it's just 1 month or less, depending on when you see this. I know everybody's gonna say, hey, take my money, shut up and take my money. We want to, and we want to provide you with this product. So stick around. Let me tell you a little bit about all the different variants that we will be offering, and then you can make your selection based on that. Come to our website and go from there. What you see here is our flagship component. This is the adjustable Elite-1 Fender Eliminator. Comes with several different parts that build into this kit. We have our CNC machine closeout. This component is made of 6061 aluminum. It is strapped to our milling machine, and it is 3D machined into this shape with these nice textures put in. We have two different fields that I believe go really nicely with the body lines of this machine. Also leaves a hole to access your key lock for the seat. It is actually designed on an angle where any spray from the rear tire hitting this component will trickle down and out the undertail, and it will not be affecting your key lock, so no worries there. Here we have our carrier boss for the Fender Eliminator. What you see here is our adjustable kit, like I mentioned. This is also available in a standard kit that saves you a little bit of money, but does not adjust the angle. So that's basically up to you. Once you put your license plate on it, pretty much disappears behind it. But if you want the convenience of adjusting your angle to your liking, hopefully you won't adjust it like this, end up hitting your license plate with the tire. But you know, we just want to give you a little bit more customizing ability, and that's what we do with this system. This part is stainless steel, laser cut, powder coated black, so it is very stealthy, kind of just disappears behind the license plate. This is all billet aluminum, machined on our milling machines, and then subsequently black anodized. These components you see here, they are prototypes. That's why they are silver. They will be black anodized, just like this part. It will all be matching. It will all disappear in here and look proper. Now, if this rear mounted type of situation is not your flavor, and I know a lot of guys out there, they don't want that. They want their license plate over here. We have come up with a separate variant that does not come with this carrier boss or any means of mounting your license plate in the back. It comes only with the closeout and a bracket that fits under this undertail. You actually do have to remove the undertail to get this under there. 2 screws, pop it in, fasten it, put your license plate on it, and it will hang the license plate roughly here. Whether it's legal or not in your area, that is your responsibility to find out and make sure that you are good to go. We just make the parts and we leave it up to you. All right, I have shown you all the different components that build the Fender Eliminator parts, but we do sell all of our components, all of our kits as modules. So for those of you that do not want a license plate light, we don't make you pay for it. For those of you that do want a license plate light, we do have a stealthy low profile system that clamps between the license plate and your bracket and pretty much disappears. Ample brightness, nice packaging, but very minimal, so you don't have to put any giant parts on here and, you know, throw off this nice minimalistic techie look. That is also available when you ditch the fender, you're also ditching your signaling system mounting points. Obviously, you will want to do something about that. TST Industries is very well known for coming out with really nice, high quality integrated taillights that have the signals built in. It is very early on in the age of existence of this model. We are working on it. I have started the design, but I'm not anywhere near even being able to tell you guys what sort of launch date we're looking at. So in the meantime, we will be providing some signaling options for you. For those of you guys that want to stay with the OEM signals, we do have OEM signal replacement bracket that mounts in between your license plate bracket and the carrier boss. Whether you go with the adjustable or the static standard, it'll just clamp in between and give you the precise geometry to pop in your OEM signals and remount it that way. Our closeout is actually equipped with 2 slots that will enable you to pass the wiring through to the inside of the bike and plug it back in. No worries there. If those big signals that come on the bike are not your flavor, we also have several different types of LED signals that we build here at TST Industries, and they have plug and play converters that you can purchase with them. So there's no wiring or anything like that. You just pop everything together, plug it in, no worries there. I didn't mention this yet, but I will be going through the installation of every single one of these modules on this bike once we roll out with them and they're available for sale. So look for those instructional videos on our website or on our YouTube channel. They will be available as soon as we have all the parts ready to go. The one thing we haven't addressed yet is the signaling system for the low mount, but we have a couple weeks and I'm very confident that we'll come up with something nice and sleek like we did on the previous generation MT-09, where we mounted our signals right about here to the license plate. We just don't have, we're not afforded the space here with these components, so I will have to come out with some other means of attachment, and I promise you guys I will get you guys covered. For now, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Hope you found this informative. I hope that you will take a look at tstindustries.com, navigate to this model, see all the different modules that make up all these kits that we sell. We basically want to give you the freedom to customize your own kit. And this is why we sell all these different variants of all these components. I know some companies just keep it simple and it's like you get what you get. And that's a lot simpler for some people to follow, but here at TST Industries, we do believe that freedom means choice. We give you that choice, and we also arm you with the videos that will show you how to install each and every kit in combination with all the different modules. So you will be able to do this at home with very basic tools, no problem there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys joining me. Check out tstindustries.com. Sign up for that email notification if you're interested in being notified when this is in stock. That's pretty much it. Ride safe. See you later.